My name is Souren. I'm a vocal coach, singer, songwriter, vocal producer. So today I want to give you 3 tips how to instantly hear yourself better when you sing. Ma 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 ma, ma 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 ma. Wow, such a big difference.
Shine, 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 shine. Shine on me like I shine on you. Shine on me, you are my sunshine.
Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hit that like button below and subscribe to my channel if you love singing. So today I want to talk about this problem that most of my beginner students experience. Right? So when you guys start singing, in the beginning, it's so hard to control your pitch. It's so hard to control your voice. It sounds to you like the voice is flying out. It's like, oh, you can't hear what you're singing. Or imagine if you are singing somewhere next to a group of people, or when you're singing to an instrumental and then you get carried away by all of this sounds of the instruments that they're playing different things and you have to stay on the pitch. So today I want to give you 3 tips how to instantly hear yourself better when you sing. Move your hands and place them right behind your ears like that. And then try to sing something like, ah, ah, sing without, ah, and with the hands, ah. The sound instantly gets louder. You can try like that or like that, whatever works better for you. The way this method works is by blocking the sound from going back. So everything that you sing goes forward and somehow it comes back to you faster, so you can control your voice better. For example, if I'm singing backup and I'm standing next to a group of people who are singing different voices, just doing this helps me a lot, helps me find my voice, helps me keep the track, helps me stay on my notes better. What you can do is you can sing towards a corner, any corner in your room. Just move as close as possible to the corner. I'm not moving right now too close because I have this beautiful lamp here. You can't see it, but it's a lamp. So you can try it same way. Ah, ee, wee, wee, wee. So let me know what you think. If you're practicing in your room and you feel like you can't control your pitch well and you can't hear what you're singing, or you just want to hear your voice a little better and hear all the colors and resonance and everything a bit stronger, that's what you do. Take a tray or anything wide enough to cover your face. It can be a music stand actually, or like today I have my cutting board here. Oh, hello, cutting board. So let's do it. Place it right in front of your face. I kind of block the sound with it and sing into it. Wee, ma 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 ma. Ma 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 ma, ma 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 ma. Wow. Ma 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 ma, ma 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 ma. Wow, such a big difference. Try it, guys. Try it and let me know in the comments what do you think. This is just to help you hear yourself better. It's not going to replace your exercises. You have to keep singing your scales, sing your intervals, and do some ear training exercises. So I'll record another video for beginners with speech control problems where I will explain what you can do, and I'll show you exercises, and I'll show you how you can practice to get better results with your pitch. All right, thank you everybody. Don't forget to subscribe. I hope you like this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Shine on me like I shine on you.